Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this really pretty LV set. And to start off, I took my D&D DC base gel and I just went ahead and put a layer of it on all the nails.
Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips, come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with, makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm gonna tell myself to keep playing this.
So I ended up losing the footage of the first layer of gel polish that I ended up putting on the nails. But I went in with this shade by iGel Beauty. It's called Piglet. It's a really pretty base color. And then I went in with my Beetles gel polish in 894. It's just a regular white gel polish. I highly recommend it. Very pigmented and really good for French tips. As you guys can see here, I already have the first coat laid out on the nails. And I'm going to go in with a second coat to all the nails.
Over and over again, swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. On you on scene, think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by one at a time. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there, so alone, no.
After taking it out of the lamp, this is how it should be looking. Now we're going to go in with our long bristled brush, and I'm going to be using this brush to be mapping out my V French. And I get this in a pack of 5 or 6 on Shein. I'm going to leave the link down below. And I'm going to be taking my Beetles gel polish and I'm going to be applying a generous amount onto my mixing palette.
Should I move on since no one, you know, what you got is good, that's why.
When creating my French tips, I always like to map out where I want the French to start. So as you can see here, I just take the gel polish brush and I lay out exactly how far I want the French to go down. In this case, I don't want the French to go that far down, so I just painted the very tip of the nails. And as you can see here, I separated the nail that I'm working on, and I took my brush and I really saturated that color on there. On my brush, you want to take a lot of product on your brush, and I just start drawing my V French.
Refuse to match up with my vibe. Keep wasting my time. You keep wasting my time. On you on scene. Think you know your girl's so funny to me.
As you guys could see, I do like to hold my nail upside down to paint the V French. But from time to time, I'll flip it over just to make sure that everything's even and the lines are nice and straight. I also use the same brush to just fill in the whole V French. Some people use the gel polish brush to paint it in, and you could do either or. I just prefer this method because I feel like it's small enough to fit in all the tiny crevices, and it gives me a nice clean look. But you could do either or.
That's why you didn't got left by one at a time. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the pouring rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there, so alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why. You refuse to let me walk out your life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. Keep wasting my time, keep wasting my time. Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips, come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm beside myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. Don't you on scene? Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you think I left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold and rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out your life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time. Don't you on scene? Think you know your girl's so funny to be. That's why you think I left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold and rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there.
After you're done with the V-French, this is how your set should be looking. Super pretty. Now we're going to move on to that white nail. And here I'm just going to be taking some of these LV stickers. And I'm going to take my tweezers that I bought on Shein. I'll link them down below. I'm just going to be placing the stickers randomly all over the nail.
Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out your life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time. Back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm beside myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. Don't you on scene? Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you think I left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold and rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out your life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time. Don't you on scene? Think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you think I left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold and rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one.
After placing all the stickers down, you want to go ahead and top coat the nail. I used the No Cleanse top coat by iGel Beauty. And I apply a pretty thick layer on top of the nail just so I could really encapsulate those stickers.
Should I move on since no one's here?
Once you're done top coating that nail, you want to go ahead and top coat the rest of the nails. I'm using the same No Cleanse gel top coat. However, this gel top coat has a mix of different glitters because this top coat, I just use it when I'm doing like loose glitters or I'm messing around with glitter. So it just has a mix of a bunch of different glitters. And I really like the way it looks. So I'm applying that top coat on all of the other nails.
You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out your life. You refuse to match up with my vibe.
After everything is top coated, this is how your set should be looking. And honestly, you guys could stop here if you want to. This set is bomb the way it is. But I decided to go in with a little bit of bling on the middle fingernail. So what I did is I took some of these rhinestones that I recently purchased, and guess where I bought them? I bought them on AliExpress, and they're super beautiful. Like, they're so shiny and so pretty. I highly, highly recommend them. I left the link down below, and I posted a picture on my video of how they look, how the listing looks. So yes, this is how they look, and they're so freaking bomb. Like, I love them. Again, highly recommend them.
Wasting my time, you wasting my time. Got to trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think.
Then here, as you guys could see, I'm going to be going in with these beautiful white opal stones. And yeah, these are super pretty also. I think I got these, a pack of them on Amazon. So I'll leave a link down below.
Playing with, I'm just on myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. Don't you on scene? Think you know your girl's so funny to me.
To adhere my stones, I'm going to be using my bling adhesive by Zulay. And I'm leaving a link to this down below as well. And I'm just going to be placing my stones in the placement where I think it looks pretty.
That's why you think I left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out your life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time. Don't you on scene? Think you know your girl's so funny to be. That's why you think I left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out your life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time. Wake me and your child, and then
After you're done placing your stones down, this is how the nail should be looking. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty. Like, the bling is just so blingy and it's so pretty. So yeah, this is how your set should be looking. Everything should be top coated, really pretty. And I want to say thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And comment down video ideas that you guys would like to see in the future. Bye.